Now working on the 25 Rogue. We got the key by the slot. We're gonna do it with the dealer software. So we're gonna go under immobilizer and click next. We're gonna type in Rogue. (2023). We're gonna wait for this to light up. Now that it lit up, we're gonna click select. We're gonna go confirm. And we're doing it with the Mongoose, the GM3. There. There we go. Okay, we're gonna go key registration, register key, continue, gonna click next, gonna click next. Okay. Okay, next. Now it says key 1, we already have the key against the button. We're gonna press start. Confirmed. We're not gonna add another one, so we're gonna do next. And then we're gonna do next. Okay, now we're going to register the first key again. And now we're going to click next because we're not going to add another one. Now let's see. And we're done.